What's up everyone, QFC here, and I'm back with a new fan. This is a white Broan hugger from 1992. I got this from a house we were renovating in Kansas. I'm currently back in Texas right now. Let me start it up on low. Hold on, let me demonstrate the light kit. Now, this ceiling fan has a 153, but the motor is heavy and the blades are light. And that light kit didn't come with the fan. This actually did, but I took it off because I thought that the spotlight was nicer. And the spotlight is actually from 2019. I just put a 3-way in it. This fan actually blows a lot of air for a 153. It blows a lot of air. Has a nice low speed and has a long spin down. This fan is 52 inches. It wobbles a bit though. Go up to high. It makes a slight buzzing sound. I had 4 of these, but I parted the second white one out, and I have a polished brass one. The other polished brass one I tried to give to ceiling fans of NOLA, but it got damaged in shipping, and they returned it back to the sender, which was my dad. And the other one is down there, and he's a new capacitor. But this fan blows a lot of air. This fan does have a few scratches on it, but I don't plan on repainting it because it's not too much of a big deal because you can barely see the scratches. Thank you all for watching.